Did you know that beavers are some of nature's most impressive architects? These little engineers can change entire landscapes. Beavers build dams to create ponds, providing them with protection and easy access to food. But it's not just random piles of wood. They carefully choose and stack branches, mud and stones to make their dams sturdy against flowing water. And their homes? Beavers build cozy lodges with underwater entrances, keeping them safe from predators. Some lodges are so well built that they can even last for decades. Thanks to their natural skills, beavers help support other wildlife too, creating habitats that benefit plants, fish and birds. Pretty amazing for a little animal with big dreams. If you found this fascinating, hit like and subscribe for more wild wonders.